Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is August the 20th, 2018, and I wanted to show you the pepper patch down here. You can see how big these things got. And we have, this is a nice big red pepper here. We're going to be taking this one here off. And we have, they actually started blooming again for us. And we have more blossoms coming. But these are pretty, they're pretty tall. These are the hot peppers here. This is a cayenne pepper. These are over waist high on me. So they're pretty tall. They're pretty big. So we're going to be harvesting some of these down here. So I'll come back with another video then. You can see down here, here's the red cayenne peppers. Now these things, these red cayennes are really, really hot. They're really spicy. I've actually had already where they were burning my skin just from picking them. So please be very careful with them because they are a very spicy pepper. So we'll be back. So I wanted to show you these here. These are two that are still on. They're starting to turn here. And this one here is red. I'll get this one here off, then I'll use the pruners for it because I don't want to break the stalk. And I think we have, oh yes, we have some orange ones down here. Hold on a moment. And these are little miniature peppers here. And I collected these seeds myself and planted them. So this is a little miniature pepper here, which something ate it. Well, that's not too pleasing. And these have more on them here. They're going to be taken off and over here. And these are really nice little miniature peppers here. And so I'm going to be taking these off. So I'll be back. So done harvesting the peppers here now. A couple weeks ago we took, I think, 3 or 4 bags total off, and that was the sweet peppers and the hot peppers totaled up. I want to show you how big, this is one of the big Berthas here. You can see how long it is, and I'm very impressed with the size of these big Bertha peppers here. And there's another real big one in this bag here. And then we did get, hold on here, thank you. They get some red ones off here. Now the stalks are that big, I can't find the tags on all of them. So these are little snack peppers here. You can see how small these are. These are great in your salads. And you could also stuff them for like mini stuffed peppers. But you can see there's a big difference between the big Bertha and the little miniature peppers there. And you can put these on your pizzas and everything. If you make stromboli, you can put them in that. And then we got the hot peppers over here. Hold on a moment here. Sorry. Got the hot peppers here. And those red ones, they're the cayenne ones. I was telling you about those earlier. They are very spicy. My dad had bit into one the one day, and he didn't think it was spicy at first. It took a little bit, but once he tasted how hot it was, he didn't want to eat them anymore. So that was our pepper harvest from today. I'm letting some of the green ones start to turn now. And the plants are loading back up with blooms for more peppers coming. So leave the products in the description for what the peppers were fed. So if you want to check that plant food out, you can. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.